Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new weekly trading ideas video. Before we start with the trading ideas, just a quick note about a sale which I'm currently running. It is a special back to school sale and it will end this Friday, and what it is all about is that you can get 52% discount on my best educational and indicator packs. If you go to my website, which is trader-dale.com, and click this button, then it will take you to this page where you can get the special discount. It is on the Elite pack, which is educational and indicator pack focusing on volume profile trading, and also on the Oriflow pack, which focuses on day trading with Oriflow. There are videos which you can check out. The videos will show you in detail exactly what you are going to get with those two packs, and until the end of this week, until Friday, you can get both those packs 52% discounted. And if you want even bigger discount, then you can get both those packs for only $5.97. That's until this Friday, alright? So that's about that, and let me now switch over to the charts. And the first trading idea is going to be on the crude oil. So what you see before you is the crude oil chart, 30-minute time frame. You're looking at NinjaTrader 8 platform, and what I have in here are my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. And I want to show you a support which is in here at 81.75. This one is based on a setup which I trade when there's a trend. So when you see a trend, you look into volume distribution within the trend. The best tool to use is the flexible volume profile. That's this one. You can use it to select specific areas in the chart, like in this case, that's the uptrend, and you want to look for significant volume clusters within the uptrend. The most significant volume cluster is definitely this one. And what it is telling us is that buyers who are pushing price aggressively upwards in this uptrend were adding to the long positions in here. That's what we see on the volume profile. We see their volumes there. And this marks a very important place for them. That's because they placed their longs there, right? A lot of the longs there. This is the beginning of the zone. And when there's a pullback, then chances are there'll be a reaction, as the buyers from this zone will want to defend this zone, because clearly it is an important zone for them because they placed a lot of their longs there. So they'll want to defend it and they'll try and push the price upwards from there again. And this is what makes it a strong support. So what we need to do now is just wait for that pullback and take it from there. Now, apart from this volume profile setup, there's also price action setup, which confirms this volume profile setup, this volume profile based support. If I extend the line like this, you can see that in the past it worked as a resistance in here because the price bounced off this zone very sharply. So in the past, this was a strong resistance. Afterwards, the price blew past that resistance, turning the resistance into new support. Alright, so that's another setup completely independent of this volume profile setup which I showed you earlier. And this price action setup is also telling us that the price should react there, that this should work as a support. So it is a combo of two trading setups, and that's what I really like about this support. So currently I'll just wait for that pullback, and when the price reaches this support, chances are there will be a reaction. Now let me switch over to the next trading idea. The next one will be on the Euro Japanese yen. So now you are looking at a 30-minute chart of the Euro Japanese yen, and what I wanted to show you here are two resistances. This one at 158.50 and this one at 159.26. What I have here is the same setup as I had on the crude oil. As you can see, currently there's a strong downtrend. And if I use the flexible volume profile over the trend area, you can see that there are significant volume bumps. This one, and this one. The first one was already tested. There was a pullback to it and boom, there was a reaction. So this one is spent, but the higher one has not been hit yet. So if the price reaches this level at some point in the future, chances are there'll be a reaction to this volume cluster. And hopefully afterwards we'll see another pullback to the higher level and also a reaction to those volumes. All those volumes represent places where sellers were active, where they were adding to their short positions as they were pushing the price downwards. And that's why there should be reactions from those zones, and that's why those should work as resistances. Alright, so that's for the Euro, Japanese yen, and let me now switch over to the next trading idea, and it will be the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So what you have before you is the Canadian dollar Swiss franc 30-minute time frame, and what I want to show you is a volume profile setup, which is showing us that there were heavy volumes accumulated in here before this strong selling activity. This is a setup which I call the volume accumulation setup, and it is telling us that sellers were accumulating their short positions in here. You can see that on the volume profile here, right? And then the sellers pushed the price aggressively downwards. And I'm saying that those are sellers because of this sell-off after the volume accumulation, all right? So that's why I'm saying that those are sellers. Now this is the beginning of that heavy volume zone at 0.6534, and when there's a pullback into this zone again, chances are that sellers from this zone will want to defend this zone and push the price downwards from there again, because this zone should be important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there. We can see that on the volume profile. So currently we just need to wait for that pullback, and if it occurs, then take it from there. Now, before I wrap this video up, guys, what I would like to do is announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest was my custom-made indicators for TradingView platform. It is the volume profile indicator and VWAP indicator. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube. And next week I'll randomly pick one person to win my custom-made indicators. Alright, so that's about the contest and also about this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses, then I'll be looking forward to seeing you in our members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading.